Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to give you guys a quick update on AMC. We are trading over $16 pre-market, which I'm pretty happy about, and it's actually higher than where we than any price that we traded on last Friday. I do think I don't know if we actually broke. We did break last week's former high of like last I think on Friday of 1540. I do think there's a solid chance we're headed back towards 1660. If we do break the 1669 level, I do think we're headed all the way back to $20. 100%. That's my prediction right now. I do think that right now we are on a pretty good trajectory to actually hit $20 today. We need to gauge to see what that actually looks like, but here's the thing though. In my other videos, I say that today more than likely, hopefully there is a short squeeze, but all the market makers, all the hedge funds, everybody has until Wednesday to cover all their shorts. So I will be holding my position more than likely until Wednesday morning, just to kind of see where the momentum is actually headed, and to see if the actually covering of the shorts, how much it actually shoots AMC towards the upside, right? And then right now, pre-market, we're at 602 million trading volume. So I'm looking for AMC to really start moving, not until we have over $1 billion trading volume, which I do think might happen again today. So we'll see. Just wanted to give you guys an update. AMC pre-market is over $60, which I'm pretty happy about. It is moving in the direction, obviously, that we wanted to, and we just need to wait maybe today, tomorrow, Wednesday at most, for the market makers to cover their shorts that had to be that basically they lost out on Friday. So I'll see you guys later. I'll update throughout the day when I can and when I have time, and then we'll go from there.